Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to go check out a Yamaha R6 to purchase. So yeah, I'm going to go purchase or look at a Yamaha R6. It's a 1999 Yamaha R6. I believe it has 19,000 miles or so. And basically gonna go look at that, check it out, see if I like it, and I guess start doing moto vlogs with that in the Grom. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're about to drive over there right now.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. I sometimes wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. All of my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Tell me to understand nothing. Go a little bit.
Alright guys, so I'm already taking apart the bike because as you can see the fairings were in pretty bad condition. Terrible paint. As you can see, they've already been painted before, as you see from the red. So I'm going to take the fairings off, sand them down a little bit, give them a little fresh paint job, but yeah. So a little walk around with the bike. It's a 1999 Yamaha R6 with 19,086 miles. And I just bought it today, January 7th, 2019. So yeah, it's not a bad looking bike. Got it for $1,000. Might keep it, might fix it up a little bit, flip it, sell it. But yeah, I'll give her a little startup real quick. Let me go find the key because I don't know where I put the key. You know, shout out to Dustin Williams, Legends Media, autographed by him. Alright, so the bike starts up. It's got a Yoshimura aftermarket exhaust. Doesn't sound too bad. As you can see, it's got a catch can right there. It's got a full exhaust system, it looks like. It's water cooled. Got some crappy painted white wheels. But I mean, the headlights work. Wired to a switch. Not too bad. I'll give her a little rev for y'all. So yeah, that is my new bike. Got the Grom over there, as you can see, just chilling. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on sanding. I'll show you guys what they look like after I'm done giving them a little light sand and give it a quick little paint job.
Welcome back to the vlog. We are in the middle of taking apart his bike because the previous owner painted it black?
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be red. So this is the original color. And this miscoloration right here is just he painted over on focus.
Painted over a sticker.
He painted over a sticker?
There's a black sticker, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a back racing stripe, whatever you want to call it.
But all those panels right there were all red. No, we're all black.
No, they're all red. They were originally.
They were red. He painted them black, and now we're sanding them down so we can paint them again, but better. And we're using glossy black paint over there.
That's an opposite.
Now stage 2, we're gonna paint the we just fucking sanded. But now stage 2, we're painting the we just took off of the bike and sanded down after fucking 2 hours, thanks to him taking dumbass long.
Sure.
Mondo's over there getting ready to paint those lines. Let's see it, bud. Fun fact, TJ Hunt was here and he didn't say hi to any of us. He's never been to SAC before.
Oh, was it white? I thought it was black.
The newest member of Outsiders, Matt!
Looks like a snowman.
Okay. And just a FYI, guys, we're not pros at this, so don't roast us. And if you do roast us, roast Robert.
White coats. Yeah.
The fumes are killing me already, man. I'm gonna fucking die. RIP your carpet, bro.
Well, I'd rather have it on carpet than the ground.
Like 95% of the time.
Ah!
Tattoo. Oh shit.
It's crooked.
Ooh, look at that tattoo though. Oh.
What are you, Team 3? Yeah. You have Wednesday, Thursday. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. How the paint's coming out. Not too bad. So, what you think? What you think about the final product? It's also my new bike.
You lie!
Yeah, I did.
Fuck you. You lied!
I did.
We all lied.
I did. You like it?
How's
No!
What? You really think he was gonna put in all that effort to paint it and fix it for nothing?
It's very funny. Her eyes are getting red. Oh, she's crying. Oh no. Oh no. There come the waterworks.
Surprise. You done?
Feel the love. Feel the love.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product of the 1999 Yamaha R6 paint job. And just look at that black beauty. Oh man, clean. Clean. So yeah, if you guys like this video, like my mom's reaction, and want to see some motorcycle content with the R6 or the Grom, you already know what to do. Subscribe down below, give a like and a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.